So tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango pineapple strawberry blend. Mango pineapple strawberry blend. Okay, so but before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment. Tell me what you think about my video so far. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you so much. Recently I've seen so many subscribers, guys. I thank you. Yes man, and if you have not watched that wedding video, go right ahead and watch it. It have over 7 point something views already, and it was just done last week. So go ahead and like that video. All right, watch it, share and like that video. Okay guys, thank you so much. I have seen the growth and I'm committed to continue to bring you good content. All right, so let's dive right into the main video. So as I said before, I'm going to be making a pineapple mango strawberry smoothie. That's pineapple mango strawberry blend smoothie. Yes, pineapple mango strawberry blend smoothie. Okay, so I'm having this bowl with some pineapple cut up, mango cut up and strawberry. I have here yogurt, some milk, and I have some cinnamon sugar, and I have my blender. Alright, so I'm gonna add these fruits to the blender. They are all frozen. See, pineapple mango strawberry smoothie. Alright, they're all frozen. Strawberries a little big. Gonna work the blender today. Yeah. And I'm using this yogurt, Yoplait, and it's excellent source of calcium. Can you see it? Yeah. It's bigger than the others, so you can use. You don't have to use all of it. You can use some if you don't like too much yogurt. This aside over here. I'm using whole milk. I want to cover those fruits because they are frozen and a bit chunky. So cover, and we are going to blend. Because the fruits are chunky, we're gonna add more milk. We need more liquid, guys, so I'm adding more liquid. And they're all frozen, so yeah. Just add that more liquid. And see what happens. Let's shake this a bit. Wow, there you have it, guys. There you have it. There you have it. This side. There you have it, guys. So I'm gonna use the same glass. I'm gonna pour this out. Look at this. This is so creamy. Yummy. Yummy creamy. Yeah. Let's see, guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is the real deal. So creamy. So yummy. Wow. Take a sip, guys. Take a bite. So tasty. Tastes like ice cream, guys. Look. So there you have it, guys, my pineapple mango strawberry smoothie. Go ahead and try it, you will love it. Okay, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.